Hello and welcome, dear listeners. We are thrilled to have you join us for another engaging listening activity brought to you by BhashaLab Listen. Get ready to embark on a journey through a captivating short story. Listen attentively, and at the end, we'll have a question for you to answer. Let's dive in. On the occasion of the Human Rights Day, we delve into the rich tapestry of India's tribal history with a focus on the Tana Bhagat movement. In the early 20th century, the Chotanagpur plateau, which spans parts of present-day Jharkhand, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh, echoed with the voices of tribal communities. It was amidst this vibrant tapestry that the Tana Bhagat movement emerged. Leaders like Jatra, Oraon and Gaya Bhagat, also known as Tana and Bhagat, led a resistance that was not only against British oppression but also a fight for basic human rights. The Tana Bhagat movement sought to break the chains of social oppression and challenge the encroachment of British authorities on tribal customs. Imagine large gatherings where tribal communities, with unwavering unity, expressed their resistance against oppressive policies. At its core, the movement aimed for a new social order, one free from exploitative practices. The Tana Bhagats, with their symbolic acts of protest, refused to pay taxes and participate in forced labor. They adopted a powerful emblem, a twig with 3 leaves, symbolizing unity in the face of adversity. The struggle was not merely against the British. It was a fight for autonomy, protection of cultural identity, and the abolition of oppressive economic policies. The movement echoes through history as a testament to the resilience of tribal communities in the face of colonial challenges. Today, as we commemorate Human Rights Day, let's draw inspiration from the Tana Bhagat movement. It reminds us that the fight for human rights is not confined to a particular time. It's a continuous journey towards justice and equality. Now that you have heard the story, answer the following question. What emblem did the Tana Bhagats adopt as a symbol of unity during their movement? Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such listening activities. The activities are specifically designed to improve English comprehension and communication skills. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring languages.